When you apply this in your funnel, you can see how people are moving up and down. You can have somebody come in here, go through all of this, download tip sheets, load a white paper, and you can throw a demo in front of him 10 times, and he's not taking the demo. Every time he doesn't take it, maybe he's losing a point. Or maybe you have somebody that's all the way down here, and you email him and all of a sudden his email bounces. That usually means he's not at the company anymore. So that would be, you're taking stuff away. If he does go for the demo, instantly right here, puts in a request for demo, does the demo, instantly down here. Webcast, if he had a lot of activity up here, the salespeople should be able to look in the CRM and look at this activity so that if anybody in this CRM all of a sudden calls a salesperson, especially if it's a green salesperson, you want that guy to be able to pull up the record and say, oh, I see you went to this webcast. What did you think of it? What did you think of this? I saw you were looking at this product page. What did you think of that? Or I saw you open this white paper. What did you, like that? They have something to talk to them about. They know what kind of path that buyer's on as far as purchasing. If your salespeople are using it, a lot of salespeople don't. And if that's the case, like for you guys with HubSpot, you can just use this information to plan your next campaign. Every time you send this email, it has a high open rate. Okay, let's recycle that email. When you send this email, no one ever opens it. Let's find a new subject line, stuff like that. Once something like this is built, now you can rinse and repeat it. It's a whole system. All you need to do is replace what's in here. You're going to change these out. You're going to fill these with different topic items. You're still going to have case studies, but they're going to be about something different. You're still going to have ebooks and white papers, but they're going to be about something different. The webcast is going to be on whatever it is that you're promoting. All of these bones are built out. You just have to replace the innards, so to speak. You're going to decide for your next campaign, what is it that we're promoting? What audience segment are we promoting it to? And what KPIs are we trying to hit? And again, you're going to begin with a specific targeted end in mind. You're going to go to your buyer persona worksheet and you're going to pick off of that worksheet. Well, what's their goal? What's their challenge? What's a key obstacle that we can speak to with this new promotion now? Say you're not selling real-time inventory tracking, but now you're selling vendor managed inventory services. So what pain points do they have around their inventory issues that we can press on with vendor managed inventory? Or say you're selling a product, conduit, what pain points can we press on that we can leverage to sell more conduit to the buyer, that kind of thing? What's a key obstacle they're facing? And if you can't get it from the buyer persona worksheet, do what I did. Do one specifically focused on that product line and find out what trouble does this buyer have with this product line. And then you're going to do your content mapping. You're going to develop a clear path towards the purchase. What are the symptoms of the problems that this buyer persona has? What are the solutions once he realizes what problems it could be? And then what are the issues that factor into the final decision? Then you're going to create the content up top, the awareness content. You're going to create information for the middle of the funnel, and you're going to create content for the bottom until it's time to hand it over to sales. And you're going to use the same lead scoring. A lead is a lead is a lead. Like maybe it's a customer that's already buying conduit, or maybe it's a customer that never paid for their conduit, and you build that into the lead scoring so that that doesn't end up on the desk of a salesperson. So that kind of thing. You just rinse and repeat. You're going to put the same things in here. You're going to put new emails and social media up here. You're going to have all your lead captures. Every single place you possibly can, you want to capture a lead and get it into your CRM.
Hey, it's Susan Merlo. If you liked that video and want to learn more, call or text me. I'd love to hear about your business and show you how this would work for your sales team.